Is that not wonderful? Hi, I'm Adibola Arojosu. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Vision of Life. Yes, like, share, and subscribe. This channel is dedicated to empowering Nigerian youth, application the African youth, and application the world youth. That affects Nigerian youth, affects the African youth. What affects the African youth, affects the world youth. We are dedicated to changing the world, to resetting the world, to recalibrating the world, to bring the world out of the matrix, to bring the world out of bring the world out of the simulation. So I've heard this many times. And it's happening. We started about a year ago, a little bit over a year, and many lives have been touched, and more lives have been changed. You are next. You will come. Your life will be changed. This year, many more miracles will come. That miracles will come. I can feel it. I can feel it. The pastor preached a message one time that, how shall I know? I know. 2017 is going to be the glorious year. Yeah, we dreams come true. Year of financial, year of manifestation. Receive it. So we started a series some time ago, about 2 months ago, the EDJ Effect. Last time was part 4. EDJ part 4. Joseph part 2. So now this is EDJ Effect part 5, Joseph part 3. And it's titled the interpreter. Yes, when you have an idea where I'm going. So Joseph has a reputation for dreaming. I mean, many people know the Bible story of Joseph. Many people Joseph the dreamer. So that when people dream too much, you call Joseph the dreamer. I read one comic, Nigerian comic, was it Kebo Super many years ago, or super story, that this guy Joseph had a girlfriend. And the girlfriend now left him for a richer man. And the girlfriend said that, I'm not doing it again, I'm out. And I said, but I've been dreaming of us getting married. I've been dreaming of us. I said, keep dreaming. After all, Joseph in the Bible was a dreamer. So you know Joseph, the dreamer. And so you know Joseph is the dream interpreter. But let's not worry about ourselves. I'm not going to be interpreted by Nicole Kidman, 2005 movie. Also hearing Sean Penn, last movie by Sidney Pollack. This interpreter, Joseph. Before Nicole Kidman, there was Joseph. So let's get started. We're taking on Genesis chapter 40, verse 1 to 23. That's the whole chapter. In the last one, Joseph was put into prison. And the warder too saw the glory of God upon him. The warder too put him in charge of the whole prison. He ran the prison, as Kerodola said. Joseph is blessed everywhere he goes. So now, he was put in the prison. The warder saw he was blessed. And the warder put him in charge of the prison. Is that not wonderful? Everywhere he was in charge. Everywhere he was, the glory of God was with him. Everywhere he was a good steward. There was a cupbearer. Pharaoh got angry, big man. Got angry with his cupbearer, got angry with his baker, and locked them up in the prison. And the warden assigned them Joseph. Joseph was taking care of them. And one day, Joseph saw them looking moody, looking sad. You see, was their leader, but he was concerned. Hope our leaders too are concerned. We have leaders that are concerned. If our leaders were concerned, things will not be the way they are. You know what I mean? Especially if you're in Nigeria and Africa. How we wish we had leaders who are concerned. So why are you looking so gloomy? He said they both dreams, but nobody to interpret the dreams. Wow. So they are not sad because they dreamed. They were sad because there was nobody to interpret the dream. So they didn't take the dreams lightly. Not all dreams make sense. There's some dreams that you dream, you know that they make no sense. When I was working at this company in Nigeria, I used to distribute bills aggressively. How about one with 1,000 bills? I distribute bills aggressively. So when I get home and I'm dreaming, I do distribute bills aggressively. And in Nigeria too, we go around house cutting people's like cutting wires. Who begging us, don't cut that wire. During that time, when I get home, I will dream that I'm cutting people's wire, cutting people's line, begging me not to cut the line. Those dreams, I know they have no meaning. But there are some dreams that you dream. That you know that there is more to this dream, don't just discard it. So you said, it is God that interprets dreams. Tell me your dream. So the cupbearer said he dreamed that he was holding some branches, 3 branches. These three branches came out, and in the body they blossom, and the clusters ripening into grapes. So he said that in 3 days' time, Pharaoh will restore you, and you will squeeze the grapes and put it in his hand again. Wow, inspiration. So he was happy now. Now the baker was inspired. He quickly told Joseph his own dream. Said that there were 3 baskets on my head. The 3rd basket were different type of fruits. And birds came and ate all the fruits. Said, in 3 days' time, Pharaoh will bring you out, and it's going to impale your head, and then to eat your body. And it came to pass, in 3 days' time, the cupbearer was restored, and started squeezing the grapes, putting in the cup, putting in Pharaoh's hand. And the baker, he was hanged, and birds came and ate his body. Joseph told the cupbearer, please, when you get there, don't forget me. I was brought here against my will. I did nothing wrong. And even here too, I did nothing wrong. His brother put him in the pit, sold him, he did nothing wrong. When Potiphar's house, she accused him, trumped up charges, and he was now in jail. Now he said, I was doing nothing wrong. So he doesn't miss opportunity, doesn't miss the network. He told him, please, when you get out, remember me in your kingdom. But you know what? Like many human beings, once the cupbearer got there, he forgot him. I'm sure he was very happy when Joseph said, I will remember you, I will tell you, I will do this, when he got there, he forgot him. Life went on as usual. So we can learn many things from this story. Like, share, and subscribe. That's the offering. That's what to keep us on. We want this thing to travel far. We have our 54 subscribers. Once upon a time, we tended to be disappointed. A whole year I've not subscribed, but thank God for small mercy. So please like, share, and subscribe. And share it with your friends. These are life-changing messages people need to hear. So Joseph was blessed everywhere he went. The warden saw he was blessed, and he handed over prison what he ran the prison. And he went and signed the cupbearer, and that's when he took care of them. And he was concerned when they were feeling bad. And he asked them, and they were a dream. He said, your gift make a way for you. Even his gift made a way for him. Even his dream, he had his interpreted dreams. And one thing I can say is that his whole family knows how to interpret dreams. When he had the first dream, his whole family knew the meaning. When he had second, his whole family knew the meaning. So he was the only one in Egypt. Any of his family members, if they saw to be in the cell of Originally, they interpreted the dream. So what was taken for granted in Canaan was something wonderful in Egypt. But let's not go ahead of ourselves. And the cupbearer had forgotten. But symbolic, three branches, 3 baskets, 3 days. And in 3 days, it was Pharaoh's birthday. And just show favor. They both offended Pharaoh. We don't know their offense. What offended Pharaoh? But favor. Pharaoh had to favor one and restore him. He favored the other one and hang him. They will receive favor. They will receive favor. Say they will receive favor. This 10 days, you have received favor throughout. So Joseph's gift still made a way for him. And Jesus still cared about people. He was the leader that cared. And he was still faithful in prison. He didn't mourn. He didn't move. Yeah, trusting God for a major breakthrough. Be faithful in what you have. People, the Arab law, be faithful. You are trusting God for the big thing, but you also do little things. He was faithful in the prison, and God blessed him in the prison. The wardens put everything in his charge, and he cared for the people under him. Why would we have leaders that care for people under us? Please, so when we get out, let's remember people in our kingdom. So it happened so fast. We're going to the end of the video. Like, share, and subscribe. This is Adebola Aroyesu, Vision of Life. This year is going to end on a wonderful note. I can feel it. Wonderful things are going to happen. Please share this message with people. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I'm Adebola Aroyesu. Bye.